We're here. I can say it. YSE is now at Sephora. I've always wanted to say that.
I love that.
Hey guys, I'm Molly Sims, a model, actress, and founder of YSE Beauty.
And I'm Stefanie Fritz, Sephora Squad alumni and professional makeup artist.
It's a big moment for the brand. Our boyfriend is now Sephora. We're very excited.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Best boyfriend ever.
I've been a model for over 30 years. I had my first baby at 40. And with that baby came hyperpigmentation, melasma, and everything just kind of hit. So I went on this mission to try to get my skin back even. I went to really harsh actives, totally messed up my barrier. And so in 2019, I was like, I can't do this anymore. My skin is a disaster. And I started with one product, then another product. And I had this like arsenal of like 15 products. And that today is YSE. For me, being my 40s and now my early 50s, I felt honestly underserved. You know, YSE is all about, women too busy for skincare. We're gonna tell you what to do, how to do it, and when to do it. Your favorite expat. Literally, this was the first product that we developed in Morning Cocktail. My vitamin C, you want to use vitamin C every single day. Every single day, that's what makes you bright. But I wanted it not to peel. I didn't want it to smell like a hot dog. And I didn't want it to be tacky or it's something that I feel like I'm wearing. It's weightless. You don't even feel it. It is gorgeous. It's kind of like gorgeous. That adult glow. It's for anyone 18 plus, really. It is so good. It's non-comedogenic. It's got blurring. You can wear it on its own. You can put it, we're gonna mix it with a little, after you're gonna see a little tinted moisturizer or foundation. But it really does give you that SPF, but while glowing.
And that was our skin prep. We did your favorite X, morning cocktail, and skin glow.
I mean, it's that easy.
Skincare done, lashes done. We're about to put some beautiful makeup over the skin prep. Look at this skin. There's no foundation.
No primer needed.
No primer needed.
I'm not used to that.
Primer included.
Okay, so while we're working on glam, I have so many questions. Was there a moment that you remember where just like the idea came to you, you're like, I'm gonna do this?
I wanted to be a part of something from the inception. And because I had this problem with my skin being really uneven and really discolored.
Here you are in a sea of brands.
I know, I'm so excited to play in the sandbox. Sephora for me, they have such amazing trusted brands. What foundation do you love?
It's like choosing a favorite child. It really depends on the person. You've got stunning skin, so I don't feel that you need a lot. We're really here for like that sheer kind of skin
want
tint
my skin
to be to shine through
and to breathe.
And I think so many things change. I think a lot of people get in the habit of wearing this fuller coverage because that's what they did when they were younger. And I think as we kind of mature a little bit, the more sheer, the better. That's why it's so important for your skin to look good. I always say it's the biggest area of your face. And one of my go-tos is always to do an illuminating primer. And I didn't have to do that for you because—
Well, that is the skin glow.
Yeah.
The prime, it protects and it glows
it's
all
perfect.
in one.
I think the nighttime skincare routine is the one that does a lot of my clients in because it's like, you've gotten the kids going and you've made dinner and you're like, oh my God, like I can't deal with one more thing. And so like, what are your best tips to get in that nighttime skincare routine? Like at what point in the night do you do it? Because I know I have a strategy. What's yours?
I get the kids down. I'll get them down and then I'll start. So I'll do my last call, my retinol, then I'll do my problem solver, my extremely rich. I'm done.
Love that. And how long does that take you?
60 seconds.
Love it. Okay, so I have to ask you because it's such a hot topic and especially with all your years of experience, what's your go-to concealer?
I love Western Atelier. I love Merit.
Yeah.
I love Pat McGrath. And there's so many different things that I kind of mix and play with.
Okay, so what about your morning skincare routine?
You always want to use a cleanser, even if you're not using you want to use a cleanser that's not going to leave you starting dry. And then I go directly into my X pads, both sides. That pad has a lot of juice. I let it sit for like 2 minutes. I'll throw on my Overachiever eye patches. I gua sha. I use
Do you? I
light therapy.
really want to get into gua sha.
Oh my God, it's
Do you do it morning and night?
I do it morning.
What step?
It's down to puffiness.
Are you doing it like after you've done morning cocktail?
But look at what she just did, right in here.
Yep.
Like I tend to kind of cave a little bit in here because I have a giant furnace. But if you'll do the bronzer like right around in here and around, it just kind of defines you.
Do you feel like the line is geared towards all skin types?
Yeah.
Sensitive skin?
Sensitive skin. It's non-comedogenic, so women who do have acne or do, have acne scars, leftover, discoloration, that's really who the line is for. Combo. My extremely rich, if the moisturizer, if you have dry skin, it's like cashmere.
In order, give me your top 3 products. If you were starting with YSE, what would be the first thing you would encourage someone to purchase?
Your favorite X pads.
Okay.
It starts with exfoliation. If you can do that one pad, it will make your skin in 2, 3, 4 weeks you will have more even skin. And then my Skin Glow, I think because of the brightening properties and the blurring, and it prime protects and you glow all in one. God, I love my extremely rich moisturizer, but I also love my morning cocktail.
So many good choices.
I know.
Let's get a little lippy going.
Ah, the skin looks so good.
Your skin's so beautiful. I love this lip product. I'm obsessed.
So good.
It really is. I need this color ASAP.
My lip tints, they're called Like a Gloss lip tints. And they're all kind of like that sheer base so you can layer.
Yeah, they're stunning.
Like I love what you did with the lip liner. I think you used Charlotte Tilbury.
I did.
Yeah, love it.
Stunning. So beautiful.
Isn't this so good? This color is so...
That color's so good.
It's called Class Act. It's so good.
Love it.
But it kind of goes on a little bit sheer, but it gives you that little bit of a bit,
Yeah,
you know?
love it.
Look how good we look. I look like Stefanie now.